Hey guys, welcome back to a new video.
Hello.
So a couple of you were asking us to do another walking tour, and so we thought we'd go back to the same spot where we were last time. This is Nanluoguxiang.
Yes, and we're going to show you the difference. And I can tell you it is quite different compared to, what, a month ago?
It was 2 months ago. It was the
ago.
beginning of December. We came right when everything was happening and everybody saw how empty it was. And now this is the end of Spring Festival.
Yes,
So
it is actually the Lantern Festival today, so spring starts, and this is what it looks like.
So let's go and see how busy it is, because I can already tell it's crazy.
It's wild.
How do you feel this time around?
I preferred the first time we were here. I'm not much.
Yeah, where we could just get our coffee and walk straight through and grab a few snacks.
Yeah, but now it's a different story.
Very different story now.
But like we saw this in Chongqing as well. In Chongqing it was also getting quite busy already. There were lots of crowds during the Chinese New Year, that period when we were there, the first couple of days.
Yeah, so we were in Chongqing for the Spring Festival for the first couple of days, probably about, 10 days we were there?
Yes.
And we're going to put some of that content out, but we're going to put it out on her channel, Yvonne's channel.
Yes, those videos are going to be up on the Go Yvonne channel. I'm already starting to share some photos on my Instagram. Go check it out, it's Go Yvonne. But yeah, today we are back in Beijing in Nanluoguxiang.
So if you remember from the last video how empty it was, I'll put the clips in to compare it, but it's pretty wild how many people are here. Like, it's back to back. This is what it used to be like back before COVID. Yeah, so it's already back. It's only been like a month and a half. It's pretty wild. So this was the Starbucks we went into in the last video, and there was nobody here. As you can see, there's a ton of people here now, and we're gonna walk over to the lakes. So there's like Houhai and Beihai Lake. We'll walk over there, and we'll also show you what it's like kind of in front of the bell tower as we walk by, because I'm sure it's gonna be just as busy as this, because this is all kind of within the same like circuit, so to say. We've even seen some tours with their little flags. So yeah, it's back. Wow, it's just so different. And also I've noticed that about 30% of people aren't wearing masks, and still about 70%, but I'm pretty sure that's going to fall away quickly when nobody's yelling at them. And you know, nobody likes wearing a mask, not really. And at this point, I don't think it's going to matter. So many people are probably going to be maskless by summer.
They tricked me. I thought like this kind of fruit, the personal fruits in the shops that were typical for Chongqing, because we saw them everywhere. But I guess it's a brand because they're here in Beijing too.
Yes, I guess it's just a popular thing now.
It's a popular thing right now. I mean,
But you liked it.
Yeah, it was very tasty, and the shop does look cute. It's a nice looking shop, and they were tasty. So yeah,
So busy out here.
it's very busy.
Yeah, this is really good to see so many people out. I think we're going to see a lot of economic growth in this first quarter, because so many people are out. And I mean, they're obviously spending money, and that's really important. So yeah, China's coming back. And Chinese tourists will start traveling again soon too. So that'll be good for, well, for everyone. Lots of people out getting all kinds of specialties here. The Beijing duck roll somebody's ordering. And over here, lots of people ordering lots of little snacks. So yeah, a lot of people out getting snacks. Back in it, like it used to be.
A big funnel or something where we ended up in, and everybody stopped me.
Yeah, we're at like kind of the main entrance where the subway is also, so we're coming to like the front.
And I think most people enter from this side.
Yeah, so
Might not be true, but I have a feeling.
I think most people enter, yeah, this main entrance. There's like a better looking gate down here.
Yes, oh yeah.
Here's the main gate I was talking about. So I think this is where most people enter, and that's the subway right there, but I'm blinded because the sun's kind of out. So this is the other area that we're gonna walk through. This is like the lakes. So you have like Beihai Lake and Houhai and Houhai. And this is, which lake is this?
This is Houhai Lake.
So we're just gonna walk through and show you that there's a lot of people, as you can already see behind us, there's a lot of people.
Yes.
Just kind of show you what it's like,
The
looking
rickshaw
like.
tours are back out, and earlier there's a lot of people on the ice having ice fun, but now they closed it, they're cleaning it up.
Yeah,
But
we were
still
here.
busy.
Well, we were here last Monday,
a couple
and we'll
days
show
ago.
a shot of that. So that was really busy, but it looks like it's already over, which is a
Yeah.
little surprising. But we'll walk through to show you kind of what it looks like in this area. Also, another popular kind of tourist destination.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, there's a lot of people out. We haven't even made it to the little bridge. There's a little bridge up here that people cross over. We'll go up there in a second. What do you think?
But I think it's busy still.
Yeah, very busy.
Yeah, pretty crowded.
Lots of people out today.
Yeah, always. Eating their tongkulus, the twars.
Wow, a lot of people sitting here on the steps behind me
Yes.
eating.
Well, it is a nice day. The sun's out. It's getting warmer, so yeah.
All the lanterns are out still. And lots of little rickshaws. The tours are back. They were gone for a while, but they're back now, causing traffic jams. So this is like the snack street. Yvonne's trying to get a tongkulu. No.
No, I'm traumatized from the time I had tongkulu in Harbin.
Oh boy.
Yes, because I almost broke my teeth.
Oh boy. Yeah, so we're walking down this little kind of souvenir street and food street. We didn't come down this one last time, but you can see a lot of people are out, which is good for business, obviously, which is very different than last time when we were out. We were showing kind of some of the malls and stuff that looked like they were kind of closed up. But here, still a few places closed up, but they're going to come back soon if there's this much traffic. It's going to be pretty wild. It's already pretty wild. Yeah, people back in the shops, which is good to see. People buying little snacks, also good to see. So we're approaching like the drum and bell tower area, and everybody's out here on the streets getting their photos, and up on the, I guess this is kind of like a railing here. Everybody's standing on it. But yeah, the police is out trying to control this traffic. You see a guy out here in the crosswalk trying to control what's going on. But as you can see, I mean, there's people everywhere compared to where we were up in this area previously, and I'll toss those clips in. And we're headed towards the drum and bell tower, right? And you guys already saw what it was like on Nanluoguxiang. So yeah, everybody is out here. Everything is back. Lots of people still traveling, and it's pretty wild. So we keep seeing people right here with their tongkulu taking a photo with the drum and bell tower, or this is the drum tower, I think? Yeah, this is the drum tower. And we're curious, I guess we're curious why. Was there some reason? Because I don't know the reason why. Was there like a famous celebrity that came and did it and now everybody wants that shot? Or is there some significance? If you know in the comments, let me know. Like, if you know, let me know in a comment. Because it's seriously a thing and I've never noticed it before. Whoa. So they're selling them all along here. Everybody's buying them. But I don't know if there's a significance to it, or if it's just they're pretty and people want it with the drum and bell tower. Well, this is the drum tower, the bell tower's in the back. As you can see, this is really busy here at Nanluoguxiang. And then also over at the lakes, there's really busy, and by the Drum and Bell Tower.
Yes. Lots of people everywhere.
So this is a little update video. Some of you guys were asking for it, and as you can see, especially now that people are allowed to travel again, China's coming back, Beijing's coming back. It was like this in Chongqing too. So
People
yeah,
want to get out. They've been cooped up for 3 years and they're ready to explore their country again.
yeah, and that's what it's like.
Yeah.
So if you like this little walking tour or you like the other one, be sure to give it a like and subscribe.
Yes, and if you want to see what Chongqing is like, then check out my channel or my Instagram, Go Yvon.
Yeah, because we'll be posting everything over there. So, bye-bye.
Yeah, you leave that in.